Have you ever wondered how sweet and delicious sugar is made from those mud-covered sugarcane stalks? What is the factory process and what machines are used to make it? Don't worry, today we're going to explore all of that, so hang on. The very first step involves the farmers, who work hard all year to grow sugarcane. Then it is harvested, sometimes by hand and sometimes with the help of machines. As soon as they are fully loaded, they head straight toward the sugar factories. After reaching the factory, many workers begin unloading the sugarcane, and then it is sent inside through conveyor belts. Before the actual process begins, the most important step is washing the canes, so that all the dirt on them is removed. After that, shredding starts, and a special liquid-like material is extracted. If you enjoyed this visual journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.